This week we have got an in-house build, so we're actually building this 17 F-150 for Zach, who is our lead programmer over here. He had gone ahead and hooked up with Superlift and got a 4.5-inch lift coming. Ran none of this by me, so that wheel's not going to go on there with 4.5-inch lift. So what I did is, you know, hey Superlift, we know you guys are sending us this 4.5-inch. That's not going to fit with this wheel and tire package. Please send us a 6-inch. So they sent us up a 6-inch. He thinks he's getting a 4.5-inch, but now he's actually got a lift that the wheel and tire package is going to fit. All right guys, so we got the lift and the wheels on the truck. We got a little bit of trimming done. We got it cleaned up so we can give it back to Zach. So let's see what he thinks about his truck that is bigger than he thinks it's going to be. All right. I'm really upset that we didn't have a smashed one to show you, but I actually have your actual truck back here.
A smashed
I tried really hard to play pranks on you this entire build, and I was unsuccessful. I'm a little upset about that, but drum roll.
That looks a little taller than what we talked about.
Yeah, so you know how you decided on this build without consulting me at all? Your 4.5 wasn't enough to clear those 35s because you actually ordered 35.5s, which are massive. So now you have a 6-inch lift.
I mean, I like it. It looks good. That looks way better than they did in pictures online.
You're all set, sir.
Thank you. We'll take it for a spin.
Yeah, go do a burnout.
Kind of to a spot in my life where I want to get back into doing more hunting, fishing. I have a vehicle that I can go off-road with. My parents live in the UP, so I go up there quite often. I do a lot of two-tracking, bird hunting, bear hunting, all that sort of stuff. So a truck is definitely going to be a good all-year-round fit for me. I've had a lot of cars that I thought was cool, but not everyone else, you know, didn't agree. As soon as, you know, I drove it around to the other side of the building, people that didn't really know what was going on were like, "Oh, that's your truck, the thing looks awesome." And then, of course, driving home, you have people staring and stuff. It's pretty cool.